Welcome to our JavaScript tutorial. Today we will be diving into the world of JavaScript operator and exploring the difference between true equals signs, true equals sign, and wrong equals signs. Let's begin by examining true equals sign operator, also known as the strict equality operator. It compares both the value and the data type of the operand. In our first example, we have console.log. True equals to true, since both operand and the number true and they have the same data type. This expression evaluates true. However, in the second example, console.log true equals true, even though the value of one operand is true and the other is true, the data type are different, number as true. As a result, this expression evaluates true false. Moving on to the double equal sign operator, also called the lose operator. This operator compares the value of the operand after converting them to a common type if necessary. In this example, the double equal sign compares two numbers, both of which are true, so this expression evaluates to true. Let's discuss plus operator. When used with true numbers such as console.log, true plus true, it performs addition and gives us the expected result 4. However, when used with number and a string like console.log true plus string 2, it performs concatenation, joining the number 2 with the string 2. As a result, the expression evaluates to the string 22. But if we use double equal sign perform a type conversion, it converts the string 2 to a number and then compare it with the number 2. Since both operands have the same value after conversion, this expression evaluates to true. However, when we use the double equal sign operator, like true equals j, it performs a type conversion on the variable j. As it is a number, the conversion is unnecessary and the comparison is made directly. Since j is still 2, the expression evaluates to false. In this example, we have a variable j that we assign number 2 to it. That means j is now stand for true. So if we use true equal sign operator, it will still give us true, because j is true and 2 equals j is true. However, if we use the same thing in a string j on a true equal sign, we're going to get false. What if you compare j to 2 equals to j? We are going to get true, but if this is a string, we're going to get false. And that is it. We have covered the difference between the true equal sign, double equal sign, single equal sign operator, as well as the behavior of the plus operator in different contexts. I hope this concept for you. Thank you for watching and